Introduction. Host. Hello, PTE test takers and language enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting topic lined up for you. We're going to unlock the secrets to scoring a flawless 90/90 in the PTE reading section. I'm your host, and together, let's dive into the world of PTE reading excellence. Segment 1. Understanding the PTE reading format. Host. To begin our journey towards the perfect score, it's essential to understand the PTE reading format. We'll discuss the different question types you'll encounter in this section, such as multiple choice, fill in the blanks, and reordering paragraphs. Understanding the format will help you approach each question with confidence. Segment 2. Developing skimming and scanning techniques. Host. Time management is crucial in the PTE reading section. We'll share effective skimming and scanning techniques that will enable you to quickly locate key information in the given text. These techniques will help you save time and improve your accuracy in answering questions. Segment 3. Enhancing vocabulary skills. A strong vocabulary is a game changer in the reading section. We'll explore strategies to expand your vocabulary and improve your word recognition skills. From learning new words to understanding their nuances and context, we'll provide tips to help you tackle vocabulary-related questions successfully. Segment 4. Mastering reading comprehension. Reading comprehension forms a significant part of the PTE reading section. We'll discuss effective reading strategies, including identifying the main idea, understanding supporting details, and recognizing the author's tone and purpose. Learn how to approach each passage with a critical mindset. Segment 5. Tackling multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions can be tricky if you're not well prepared. We'll provide strategies to eliminate wrong answer choices and increase your chances of selecting the correct option. Discover how to analyze the given options and make informed decisions. Segment 6. Mastering fill-in-the-blanks questions. Fill-in-the-blanks questions require a strong understanding of grammar and vocabulary. We'll delve into strategies for deducing missing words based on contextual clues. Learn how to identify the grammatical and logical relationships between the words to fill in the blanks accurately. Segment 7. Excelling in reordering paragraphs. Reordering paragraphs can be challenging without a systematic approach. We'll share techniques to identify the logical flow and sequence of paragraphs in a text. Learn how to recognize transitional phrases and connect ideas to reconstruct the passage accurately. Conclusion. Congratulations, PTE test takers. By understanding the PTE reading format, developing skimming and scanning techniques, enhancing your vocabulary, mastering reading comprehension, and tackling multiple choice, fill in the blanks, and reordering paragraphs questions, you're on your way to achieving that perfect 90/90th score. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep honing your skills and never give up. Thank you all for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable PTE tips and tricks. Until next time, happy reading!